my greetings on the World Environment Day. This is the era of global climate change. We could see, the melting of polar ice, sea level variation, irregular monsoon. In fact, if you see this time, monsoon had already arrived the entire country. So in that respect, Goa University has been trying to reduce, or I would say that sequestrate carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So therefore we have been doing this plantation for quite some time. And today we are so happy that in collaboration with the Forest Department and Marriott, some of the plants have been already planted and all the officials are here. And once again, my greetings on this day. Thank you.
My name is Cheryl and I represent the Goa Marriott Resort and Spa in Miramar. And I think on a special day like today, it's important that we all do our bit towards community, and partnering with Goa University is perhaps one of the nicest things we could do this year, because what better than to do something along with community. So we hope that this partnership extends not just today, but through the year with Goa University. So thank you, sir, for the opportunity.